Hey guys, I'm going to try something crazy. All right, just got home from work, had this idea. Saturday, noon Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to do a live stream and we're going to build this frame on live stream. And while I'm doing the live stream, I'm going to record the video like I normally would and edit later for a real published video. But I think it'd be cool and do a live stream and have some interaction and have some laughs maybe. And you guys could watch me make mistakes in real time and just kind of go through the whole process. So I think it's something that'd be cool to check out. I think it'd be cool to interact with some of the people that watch the videos. And I think it'd just be a really good time. And hey, I might need some help doing it. Some pointers or whatnot. Always cool. So that's the plan. So if you want to check it out and see what it's all about, I'm going to start noon on Saturday, and we'll see what. I don't know how long it's going to take. I got a lot of work to do, a lot of cutting to do, a lot of drilling and tapping and figuring stuff out, and trying to make all the holes line up. And there'll be some challenges to overcome, and you can see all the heartaches and the blood, the sweat, the tears, and mistakes happen in real time. So I look forward to it. I hope you guys join me on this journey in real time and shoot the breeze in the meantime. So see you then, guys. Thank you.